Hey guys, welcome back to the Gypsy Moon Child, and this is going to be the monthly reading for June 2021 for Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs of Aries. Take only what resonates and leave the rest. Remember, time is fluid, and energies and roles can be reversible or vice versa. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can check the description box below and directly book it from my website. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. I'm trying to be regular on Insta as well as YouTube both. So let's see what messages do we have for Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs of Aries. Okay, so we have our first message, first card here, that is 8 of Wands. So you could be dealing with another fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sag. So things are happening quite quickly in your life right now, and you gotta just buckle up because things are really happening it's like happening swiftly in your life. If you've been waiting for a message from someone, it's definitely coming for you. Someone is going to reach out to you. Something that you've been waiting for to get completed is gonna happen super soon as well. So these are the few messages, but someone could be contacting you anytime soon for something really important. Someone here is really passionate about you, and they might tell you super soon about it, that you know how passionate they are towards you, how attracted they are towards you. Okay, so that's that. Let's see what other messages do we get for you guys. Okay, we have another card here, that is 7 of Cups. So it is possible that this person could have a lot of other options, or you might have a lot of other things to focus on, or other options as well. But when this message comes, it's going to be a surprise for you as well. So you wouldn't know what to do, if you should reply or you shouldn't reply, or whatever it is. So you could be a little confused as well here. Either it's like you have other people in your mind, or you might be having other things to focus on, so you don't know if this person is going to be a real deal or not. Wheel of Fortune, the next card here, it says that again things are definitely changing in your life, and it's going to happen at a pace that you won't even believe that it is happening. So you gotta really fasten your seatbelt and get along with life. Okay, something is changing big time, like huge changes are there in your life. I feel when this message comes, it could be anything. It could be good news from someone, a good message. I don't get any bad vibes from this message. It could be a good news, a message, a very positive message from someone, but that could shaken up your life, but for good. Okay, like it was very unexpected. It's okay for you. So when something really unexpected happens, so we get shocked as well. So it's just that kind of energy I'm getting here, that will just change your life, that will rock your life. This message is gonna do amazing things for you, but you could just really get confused in the beginning as to why is it happening and what is happening. Okay, let's see what other messages do we have. Okay, we got Page of Swords. So this person is really stalking you big time. They want to know what is going on with you, what is up with you, how's your life, if you're dating someone or not, whatever it is. They've been just keeping an eye on you. And if this is about a job or a career opportunity, so I feel that if it's about that, for some of you guys, it could be about your career or a business opportunity as well. So in that case, you gotta figure out, you gotta check your you gotta check things before you give it a go. You gotta dig deeper to know the truth behind it, like if it's a fake thing or if it's real. So you gotta dig deeper for that, and you gotta learn new things in order to get that job or in order to get that business deal, whatever it is. So you have to find the truth as well behind it. If it's about a person, then again they're stalking you big time. Let's see what other messages do we have for Aries. Okay, so we got Two of Cups. Definitely a person who is your soulmate. This is like a one of a kind relationship, uh, one of a kind connection. So that's why they've been stalking you. It's nothing bad, but they're just trying to know where you are in your life so they can come towards you and talk to you and offer you their love. If it's about a career, this message is going to bring a lot of positivity in your life. It's going to be about a partnership. Either you could get a project with someone in your job and you both will do wonders, or it could be a business opportunity from someone, so you can do a partnership in that as well. So amazing things for you, Aries. Okay, the Star card. Wow, amazing. You could be dealing with an Aquarius as well. With the Star card here, I feel that whatever you wished for is going to come true. Your efforts are going to get acknowledged. Okay, your wishes are getting fulfilled. Everything is happening for you. Everything is just taking place for you right now. So your efforts are being recognized at work or by a person, or your dreams are coming true, your wishes are coming true. So it's like that kind of energy, but the time that is coming is really really good for you. It's going to bring changes in your life, major changes, huge changes in your life, and this will really help you to, you know, move on from something that could have been hurting you. But this this is a wish fulfillment and a change. So you've been wishing for this thing from a long time now, and now that it is happening, of course it's going to bring huge changes in your life as well. So it's gonna come as a shocker to you, but yeah, it will be really happy. So we're gonna pull out some romance angel cards for you. Let's see what do we get. Okay, that just flew out of the way. These two cards came up for you. They actually flew out of the deck. So first is chemistry, and the other is healing family issues. So there could be some religious factors involved here in this connection. Either like it could be that you both belong to different religion, or some parental conditioning is there. So that's why you both were not able to be together in the past. But now you guys are working on it, or you will be working on those family issues, and somewhere you gotta forgive your parents for whatever they've done to you, or whatever the misunderstanding is. So you both have to forgive your family for that, and that's how your relationship will benefit, because again there's a very strong chemistry here I'm getting for both of you guys. You saw that with the Eight of Wands as well. There's a strong magnetic attraction here. So yeah, this is going to be amazing for you guys. I feel it. This connection is really really something. So now we're gonna pull some love messages for you. Let's see any messages from the person of your interest. All I want to do right now is cry and scream and let it all out, because the pain is killing me inside. So this person is feeling the pain of separation. The separation might have happened because of the family issues. Again, it could be religious factors, it could be family conditioning, parental conditioning, or something that your family did, or in some way your family was involved. But now this person is feeling the pain of separation, and it's killing them. So that's why I feel they're just trying to look at you on social media, maybe to get some inspiration, so they can come and talk to you and offer you their cup of love. I acted like it wasn't a big deal when it really was breaking my heart. So yes, at that point of time they might have acted like, you know, it's nothing, I can live without you, or something like that. Like they were acting all strong, mature, cold, but it is actually a big deal for them as well. So yeah, that's the messages that have come for you. I hope this reading resonates with you, Aries, and helped you in some way. If it did, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me, and I will see you guys next time. Till then, bye bye, take care, and God bless you all.